Alright, welcome to episode 8 of Daily Tech News. But this was supposed to go out yesterday, but because of some reasons, I was not able to upload it. So here it is. We have a lot of interesting stuff coming up towards today's tech news. There will be an episode in the evening as well. But before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. And yes, the live stream that we missed yesterday, we'll be doing that today. So do participate in the giveaway. Now, without further ado, hello, awesome people. Welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. So let's see what we have here. We have Xiaomi India going down to the second place. Now, there's been a tough battle between Samsung and Xiaomi as far as the top manufacturer for smartphones in India is concerned. And just recently, Xiaomi has gone down to second spot. I'm pretty sure they will try to, make a comeback and stuff like that. But it's good to see that Samsung is now in the number one position. Now, this is happening because Samsung has been focusing more on the mid-range and the entry level of devices, the M series of phones, the J series of phones, the A series of phones, and they've been doing a pretty decent job. Although I still feel the value for money proposition still goes to Xiaomi. Now, moving on to our second topic, once again, Xiaomi in the news. Xiaomi slows down phones users for misunderstanding. Now, matter of fact, I was reading this news in the morning, and some users with the Mi 10T on the China forum, when they ran a particular benchmark, their phone was giving RAM speed numbers of DDR4, wherein this particular phone has LPDDR5. So that created, a lot of confusion that just like iPhone used to do, Xiaomi is also slowing down phones. Now, the benchmark in question is the A1SD benchmark test. Now, I've not really tried this, but yeah, this is the one. It calculates the copy speed, therefore gives very different results than what users expect. And when the users actually tried pass mark benchmark, everything was fine. So this is just a confusion, nothing major there, but I still doubt that major phone manufacturers are not slowing their phones down with latest updates. Now, once again, Xiaomi devices in question over here. Mi 10T and 10T Pro MIUI 13 update will be released globally soon. That is a good thing. You should be getting MIUI 13 with Android 12. Now, as far as Android version is concerned, for the 10T and 10T Pro, this will be the last major Android version upgrade. They will get MIUI 13.5 but might not get MIUI Android 13. Now, Apple AirPods Pro 2022 will lose the stem. So, that stick sort of a thing which we use to hold the AirPods. They will be sort of oval or round shape. They are going to come in flashy colors. That is a good thing. And the global chip shortage may delay the launch, but the looks of it are pretty decent, pretty awesome. The seamless look, a pebble shape, very, very weird and very, very different. It will be very interesting to see how they fit in our ears and how they are priced. Now, moving on to the next important and interesting topic. Nothing Phone 1 sale in India to take place via Flipkart, company has announced. Now, that's a good thing because I myself am looking for a phone, a pure ASP like Android phone and stuff. Very soon we're going to hit 50,000 subscribers, and by then, I've promised myself that I'm not buying a personal phone till the time we get to 50,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and help us reach 50,000 so that we can bring even more amazing content to you guys. So yeah, Nothing Phone 1 will be launched in India with Flipkart. That is a good thing. Google I/O started yesterday. A lot of interesting things have been covered in Google I/O. There are things like Pixel 6a. So the Pixel 6a was announced, Pixel Watch was announced, Pixelbuds Pro were announced, Google Assistant improvements, Google Search improvements, and surprisingly, Google has also teased the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro along with the official Android 13 beta being live as well. So a host of things were announced at Google I/O as expected, and it's mentioned that the Pixel 6a is supposed to be going on sale sometime in July. Again, apart from Nothing Phone 1, the Pixel 6a once again is a phone that I am interested in. You can let me know in the comment section what do you think about the Pixel 6a, because it's going to come with the same Tensor chip that is there in the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. And that will make it very, very interesting. Realme in the news now, the GT Neo 3T. So what's up with this T series of devices with Chinese manufacturers? I don't know. A Snapdragon 870 and there are not any major changes. 1003 single core and 2607 multi-core. The multi-core is really low because our Mi 11X does around 3000 to 3300 multi-core. although the single core is similar. Now, Apple has discontinued the latest generation of iPod Touch. This was the last iPod on the market. They have discontinued that, and of course our smartphones have replaced almost everything, so this was long time coming. Now moving on, Apple has began testing folding panels for their iPads and iPhones. Everybody jumping on the foldables bandwagon over here. That is going to be really interesting. The big breakthrough is the lack of polarizer layer on the panel, which is currently being used in some conventional folding displays. Folding phone is still years away. 2025 is when it might come. Now, the last piece of news that we have over here for this particular episode is Redmi Note 11T Pro is tipped to launch this month. That is going to be great. As I mentioned earlier as well, a 144Hz display under the hood, Dimensity 8000 processor, so not the max which is there on the OnePlus 9R, but the normal Dimensity 8000. This is the first time this processor is coming to a Redmi device. Remember, this is a powerful processor. A 4980 mAh battery, 67 watt fast charging, and the Pro version will have a 4300 mAh battery with 120 watts of charging. So, as far as yesterday's tech news being given today, this is everything that I have. But today evening, we'll have one more episode going on with much more interesting news. What time we are doing the live stream, I will put that on the community section. Until then, keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.